All right, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Daily Money Market. My name is Che Yusuf. I'm the host of the Daily Money Market. It's actually a Wednesday. It is a big day. It is the jobs day from the United States. Well, don't get surprised, don't get confused. Of course, the jobs day, which is the code NFP, non-farm payroll, it comes the first Friday of every single month, first week of every single month. That Friday, they give us the report in terms of how much people they've been employed from the previous month. So there was a little bit of crisis, of course, in the US and Donald Trump and the politics of Trumps and so on. It ended up that the jobs report were not released last week on Friday. It was postponed all the way until today on Thursday. The reason being they were preparing to have the government shutdown from US, but Trump had to negotiate so that that government shutdown cannot be occur from last week. But they postponed the jobs day report, the NFP moving it all the way to Wednesday, which is today. Very excited. A lot of traders, they are actually waiting to place the orders. Now, I want to see just a quick see what's the difference between the jobs day that comes on Friday and the jobs day that comes on Wednesday. So why today might be different from the Friday print. Normally NFP comes on the first Friday of the month and makes positions for that specific timing, but since this has been delayed to Wednesday, the pattern it's similar. The data content matters most, not the day of the week. The effect of the volatility and the pricing will still be the higher in the minutes and hour after the release. In other words, Wednesday, whether Friday, doesn't reduce the importance of traders still viewing this as the main monthly US jobs labor report. So the analysis they're already saying it doesn't matter whether it comes on Friday, whether it comes on Wednesday. What really matters is the report that comes and what does the report it says. I mean, the previous jobs report it comes, it was 70,000, which is way lower comparing to other prints that comes from 2024 2025. They were getting to all the way 112, 180, 180, 170. Those were the print. So still it shows that the labor department of US is not really performing well. There's not that much in terms of people that are actually hired in the labor department. So that's why they're estimating it's on a 70,000. So we're gonna see if the numbers is gonna get to the actual or the numbers is gonna be still below. When it comes to the asset, like NAS 100, the US 30, S&P 500, all of them, they are actually ranging a little bit higher if you look at it on a chart. I'm looking at NAS 100 sitting at 25,180. It's a little bit above. When you go to US 30, it's 5,000 and 5,000, 50,277, a little bit above. US 500, which is the S&P 500, sitting at 6,954. It means the S&P 500 has actually pushed a little bit higher when it comes to the position of the price itself. So the indices, they're looking good. They're a little bit above. Let's wait for the jobs report numbers that they're gonna come. Are they going to surpass the estimation numbers of 70,000, or they're gonna be below the number of 70,000? Don't forget, it's 3:30 South African time when it comes to the NFP report that will come today. So right, that was it about the jobs report that comes today on a Wednesday. First time you receive the NFP on Wednesday. So we're gonna see how the market is gonna perform, but be ready, look into the market. It doesn't matter the data, that's what is most important, not the day. So thank you very much for checking the video. If you want to open up a trading account, please click the link below on the description. Sign up, DM me if you need my assistance. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, guys. Let's go.